damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. The National Weather Service in Will Region has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Miami County, south central Shelby County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Piqua, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, damaging tornado.
Oh shit.
Source, spotter observed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Piqua, Fletcher, and Blockington. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.